my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I shake my head when I see people buying food items at a higher price when they can simply make them at home, cutting the cost. Blanched almonds are one of them. They are great as an ingredient for many recipes, or they can be ground into flour. Here's the easiest method to remove the skin. So my friends, let's get cooking.
So here are the typical almonds that we find in our supermarkets or big box stores like Costco. As you know, they are quite expensive to begin with. Now, if you want the blanched almonds, they're even more money. So we're gonna do it ourselves. Let's move on to the stove. We'll drop the almonds into a pot of boiling water and blanch them for 45 to 50 seconds. That's all. It's that fast. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and drain the nuts in a colander before rinsing them thoroughly with cold water, which will stop the cooking process. Without waiting any longer, we'll start peeling off the skins by gently squeezing between our thumb and index finger on the almonds. See how easy it comes off? Now, to prevent turning the nuts into projectiles, we should put our other hand in front of them just in case. When this is done, we'll drop our blanched almonds onto a single layer of paper towels to allow them to dry for a few hours. From there, we can proceed with our recipe.
As you saw in this video, it's incredibly easy to achieve, plus you'll save yourself some money. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!